I got something awesome to share with you today.
You're looking at the very first diecast cars ever released by a brand that did not exist until now. What's going on, everyone? Kevin here from Good Times Rolling. And today's video is special because this isn't just another diecast reveal. This is the official debut of a brand new diecast company, KiloWheelz, sent over their first convention exclusive models to be revealed here on the channel. And this is the first time that they're being shown to the world.
Castings I have to show you is the Lincoln Continental and the Mustang GTD. Cars will be available at the Diecast Supercon, which is the largest diecast convention in the United States, offered as exclusives only. If you want to see what that looks like, the big convention, check out the last video that I made on it. I'll put a link in the description below.
Every KiloWheelz casting will come in these shipping container style boxes that are stackable, so as you collect them, you'll be able to stack them nicely in your collection. And another thing I love about these is, here, I'll stop this little stand here, is if you unstack them, look at that, look at the detail on the bottom of this casing. Little shipping container, you got the KiloWheelz logo, love that gold shine on the side of it. But what I was gonna say is what I love about these is you can open this up, right? So you can access the car without tearing everything apart. And then it slides out on this platform right here. This slides out, look at this. See how it just slides at it? So there's some grooves inside of the shipping container box there. And it just slides right at the bottom. So if you wanna take the car off of this platform though, there's just a little screw right there. You can take them right off the bottom and play with them. And these cars, they roll too, for anybody that's curious. Yeah, you can roll them across your desk. So here you can see it rolls nicely. Something unique, very unique about KiloWheelz with this Ford Mustang GTD is they have bearings in the axles of these castings, so it rolls smooth as butter. I don't know any other diecast brand that has bearings in the axles. So their attention to detail is insane. Speaking of detail, Brian Pope was the lead designer on the KiloWheelz team that worked with Ford in designing this casting. So you can see right there on the front window, it says Pope Designs. Shout out to Brian, you did an awesome job with this one. Check this out. If you open the door, right there, you can see a two-tone interior on the bucket seats. It's even got divots in the headrest there, like you would see with the bucket seats. What? Even the panel on the door, you see the two-tone color paneling on the door? You can see the reflection of the mirror on the side view mirror right there. It's gonna be one of the most ultimate souvenir cars at the Diecast Supercon. You can see right there on the license plate, it says Vegas GTD. That's why these little landscapes that the cars come with, that's why they have the fabulous Las Vegas signs right there. It's gonna be a really, really sweet one to get. I love on the spoiler, if you look at the spoiler, you can see it says right there at the top, Kilo. Got some nice design elements. Look at the details in the back of the grille. You can see the divots. You can see the muffler right there at the bottom. Here at the bottom of the car, you can see some of the details there. The actual true car is blacked out underneath, and they do have it smooth under there for wind resistance. So that's a really cool thing to see. Look at the emblem in the grille on the front of the car. Really great headlights, got the two-tone colors, the Mustang emblem right there on the bumper. Fantastic work. Okay, I want to point out some differences between the orange cream chrome looking one and the gold one right here. First off, the thing that jumps out the most is the black carbon fiber running down all through the center of this one. You can see they got carbon fiber skirting right there underneath the door. And something unique about this casting is this carbon fiber design was actually requested by the designers at Ford, because this is the exact same pattern, that V shape that you see coming down, that is on the real car produced by Ford Mustang GTD. You can see the vents there, turned out really great. Another awesome example of the details that KiloWheelz puts into their castings. It's been a long time coming in the design. A lot of talk has been coming on because they wanted to do it right. They wanted to make sure that these things would be quality, and these are just the samples, guys, and they are very impressive. I can feel the weight of the quality of the car in my hands. You can see the gill down the side of the bumper there. And on the tires, I'm gonna show this to you. It says KiloWheelz on the tires there. So everything on this car matches the real car except for the tires, because the tires say KiloWheelz. So that's something to keep in mind. There you can see First in Flight, North Carolina, Kilo GTD. And everything else is really, really great. This next one definitely caught my eye. Love the crazy, colorful patterns that it came with. The chrome green is amazing. For anyone that doesn't know, green is my favorite color. But let's take a look at this guy. How cool is this? Rear opening doors. Looks so good. Basically, look at the chrome green up the side of the seat there. They could have easily ignored that with the closing doors and just left it like white, but no, they painted it. Another thing too, look at on the door itself. Again, you have a reflective mirror, but you also have a piece of the window right there on the door itself. Windshield wipers, you can clearly see those. You can see the sun visors at the top of the window on this. And if you look closely at the steering wheel right there, you can see a shifter right there on the steering wheel. The seats themselves got that wild, awesome, colorful pattern up the middle of the seats. And another thing that's really cool about these castings is they made an articulating hood right here. There we go. I was trying to open it carefully. Look at that. You can see the engine bay on the inside. You can see the bars. Look at it. Look at that. It's just so awesome. Another Easter egg for you. There is a hood emblem right there. I'm gonna push that down. See that hood emblem right there? Like how it catches the light. License plate says one lucky Las Vegas, one lucky winner. That's cool. The grill looks really cool. The lights turned out great. So many good details. Beautiful casting. There you go. On the back says Continental. You can see the outline of the gas door. The lights, look at the lights right there. Look how great that green shine of the chrome looks. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a gem. Definitely a fan of this one. Great job on the design. Beautiful, beautiful casting. This right here is the 1964 Lincoln Continental. And what I love about this one is it's just majestic looking with that chrome purple and the gold trim. You got gold rims, right? Gold side skirting at the bottom there, you can see. And gold windshield wipers. Gold grille with the little lenses and the lights. You see that? How great is that? Love the license plate on there. It looks like it says low sleek. It's super cool. On the top here, you can see it's got a really good pattern to it, and I don't know if the camera does it justice. It looks so great in real life. There's the back there. These are rubber tires, real rubber tires on those. And the doors, you got the suicide doors that pop open in the back and in the front. Love the purple stripe going down the white leather seated interior. And look at the doors right here. You see that? The silver trim? It's like the details are just amazing on this. So I'll open the doors up here, front and back, for you guys to see this. And then on the front, there's some great pinstriping there on the hood, and that hood ornament. Look at that hood ornament. You see that? Right there. I don't want to touch it because it looks pretty fragile, but it's a very awesome detail to have on this. Now the hood on the top of these Lincoln Continentals, they open up this way, revealing the engine bay.
Amy Boyln, the former Hot Wheels executive and founder of the Red Line Club, is the one that has started this diecast company and is leading the KiloWheelz team as its president. I will be bringing you guys exclusive sneak peeks at future KiloWheelz drops in the coming months. So check out the KiloWheelz Facebook page and their website. The way it works, it's a membership sign up, and then you get access to the cars every month. And you can see those cars or preview some of those cars here on this channel going forward. So I have a lot of big plans for the channel this year, including a huge trip to Japan. Also, if you're going to be going to the Diecast Supercon, come say hi. Always love catching up with everybody. And if you're looking for something new to watch, go back and see my Diecast convention video last year at the Supercon. It was a riot.